Gdje otišao ovaj ludak? Gdje? A? Kakva ovo budala, bre. Čovjek lud. Najluđi lik na turneju. Udara mala si, lud. Dobro je, brate. Dobro je što ima, brate, ima signala, brate. Isti je ono jedan iz GTA, brate, 5, onaj CG. Koji Kubanac, brate, iz Afrike nego? Minimum Kubanac, sad ti koče, kako je sad? Biće ovo zajebano malo, a? Minimum sa radnog mjesta. Sad ćemo. Koliko vas sve šlo? Toplo, a? Koliko je stepeni od Dubaju?
Bliže 45, tamo je vlažnost je toliko velika.
50 stepeni, a koliko je vlažnost? 50 stepeni, 80%.
Tako da je vlažnost, imali sve klima svuda, samo ne možeš napolje.
Ne možeš napolje, ma kako?
Ne možeš da dišeš, nema vazduha, nema ništa.
Umireš?
Znači taj je haos.
Pa tamo leti, brate, bežiš odatle. Pa ko jede tamo od decembra do, a ili ne?
Pa ajmo reći, ne ide u oktobar,
Jesam.
Novima decembra, potom negde maj. Je to, a ovo preverzija svaki dan, naravno.
Možeš napolje, možeš.
Sve. I onda kad uđe leto,
Ja sam u oktobru bio, brate. I bilo nam je pakao, brate. Rakić kad je... Ajde. Da. Evo, ide uskoro sparing, brate, samo da mi ovaj zavije ruke i da vidimo gdje je ovaj Španac, brate. Prije 2 godine. U Abu Dhabi sam. Siš sam dole, brate, na 3. sprat, za malo nisam umro.
Ne jako.
Koji se očno?
Kad se ne navijaš jako. Lično meni od jako.
Dobro je, mnogo bolje. Sad će biti ovdje.
Pola.
Abu Dhabi se neđe u ljeto vrijeme. Da, brate, kaos je to. Evo, kafin je izašao izgleda da poduo joint, to je dečko bolestan. Ne bi rekao za sebe ruče. Koje bre dete sa sela, gledaj čovjek u ruke. Aj pokaži biceps, gledaj ti ovo. Molim. Ja, nećeš?
Umro bi.
Šta? Dobro, ali strašno, znaš koliko je ruče dečko, coach ima. Ovo je real coach, brate, majke, znaš koliko je ruče da ima. Ne, ovako pogledaj. Ja nisam vidio ti 2 puta bio u trenerci.
Pa da, i brate, kad radimo, sad sam da idem super seriju. Da radim puštvu, da ruke skoro ni ne radim sam.
Koliko radiš skibol serije?
Ko zavisi, brate, kad mi ono. Zavisi ko je, sve. Vi ste se najviše ovih kuna ide, a ovi su kad ide se saramo. Ovo da nisu brdo.
Životinja, brate. Znaš kad sam umoran ovdje znam da me pogledam.
Imaš tako neke čudne stvari.
Onda kad jedem nestanem.
Jesi poveću mastu?
Jesam.
Smanji hidrata.
Pa brate, isto, viš ima ono.
Poveće mastu. Neko sad ima ono, brate.
Nije ono optimalno. Moramo...
Sad ti kad budeš stvari, nemoj, brate, nemoj nešto vidjeti.
A viš, ja sam imao, brate, zadnji put kad? U 10, 11. Ne znam da zveknem čokoladicu sve.
Ne, brate, sad stvari, vidjet ćeš
Pa to ti kažem.
Nema ništa.
A, koji će mi...
si glavi.
Pa da.
Gdje si ti elektroliti?
Zaboravio sam, sad ću kusiti. Ne, trebaju mi elektroliti, da, zaboravio sam ih, brate, kući, ček samo se. Samo ne znam. Can I have please the electrolytes? The electrolytes, the pills. Sad ćemo. No. The other ones. On the right side, on the right. More right. There, yes. Any flavor, I don't mind. Hoće mi dao onaj shotgun, brat. Dobro, aj samo ti platim, izgorela da bude. Thank you. Kako će ovo Polupanović je biti? Ne mogu majke. De, brate, Uglješa jebati. Ništa, ajmo tamo, brate. Čekaj. Molim?
Poznaješ to?
Znam. Ček se oni doći. Kaficu smo zjepali, što? Daj, ono, opet kamera sere, brate, realno, evo. Brate, uzmi jednu rukavicu. Bato, uzmi jednu. Davore, uzmi jednu rukavicu. Hvala ti.
Daj mi drugu.
Dobre. Sad će kafeni da nam zamota ruke. Ne znam gdje je ovaj, brate. Ti ubijaš, brate. Bro, I was waiting for you, man. Hey, brother, how are you? Marco, nice to meet you. Thank you, brother. Thank you for it. Bro, I was waiting for you, man.
Oh, I was waiting for you here.
Listen, I need to hold. Hoćeš ti držiš telefon, ti mrsko?
Ajde, brate.
Ajde. Ajmo, braćo. Brate, evo ti samo, bukvalno ovako kreni prema nama. Jel se mi sad vidimo se, jel?
Da, upravo.
Spain.
Spain, yeah.
You? Where from Spain?
No, Galicia. Up to Porto.
Up to Porto? Nice. Sad će jednom.
Ja umiram.
Pa gdje vam već čovjek nije novi?
I love you, coach. I don't know, but I love you, man.
Nema, brate, CJ. Sam naručio da jedem, brate, nešto ne znam gdje je. How are you, brother?
Good, bro. Let's get down to business.
How many hands you see?
Ja plačem, brate.
Koliko ruku vidio? Koliko ima prstiju?
Brate, komentari su najjači, brate.
Brate, jako su se raduo, znaš? Naš, brate moj, naš. How old are you, brother?
28.
Oh, you? 35.
35. First fight.
Huh?
First fight.
No, I fucking kickboxing before. Yeah, kickboxing MMA, but now I'm boxing, yes. I fight the same guy, same prescription.
How much you weigh?
Now, 119.
119.
You are like around 90, yeah?
Yeah, 87.
87. My boxing is different. You fight before, yes?
Yeah, about 10 fights, about
10 fights.
Yeah,
Biće čupo, brata.
A?
Neće biti ovo lagano.
This is mine.
Brate, komentari su naj. Komentari nisu ljudi normalni. Brate, majke.
Šta pišu, braćo?
Ja, brate, ludaci.
Šta pišu?
Kaže kao, brate, obesit će se bandežeri. I tako.
Go, brate, I tell you, this is the best. This is top one.
I do it exactly how I do my own.
Brate, well done. Now one more and we are done.
Coach, where are you from?
Me, my mom is
Ma,
from.
he's
My mom is from.
from Disneyland, yeah.
My mom is from Mauritius,
Okay.
Creole from Mauritius, and my dad is from Gambia. But I'm born in Sweden,
Hey. Which city in Sweden?
Stockholm,
Okay, capital.
Stocktown.
There is a time, but I need to start. It's hard here to find someone to fight. And this guy is still like, it's like he's gonna be like your weight, you know? We have like 12 professionals. Yes. We have like 100 amateur fights. Yeah. So it's like a big influencer show in Bosnia. The last time they used to watch like 600k people. They used to watch that show. And it's good for promotion. Only my issue because I have the surgery for both my eyes. And the left one is fucked up. You know, I got a previous on the thumb. You know, so it's like difficult. To do that. But no excuse. Let's see.
Good.
Bravo! Thank you. Alright, let's go. Ajde, idemo gore, brate. Jel tebi nije mrsko, brate, držiš tako, a?
Nije.
Brate, tu staneš, brate, na ćošak i to je to, a? Evo, brate, poredit ćemo čovjek. Ah, you have look at this, brother. You have Serbian flag behind you.
Yeah, go to Serbia, I love it, man.
You like?
Yeah, yeah.
Really,
The
brother?
food.
Ah, the food is good, huh?
Midnight.
But those, the food in Spain, huh?
Yeah, yeah, sure, yeah.
Oh, fuck, yeah, but I forget. Check is about somehow.
So you fight in cruiserweight, right? That's cruiserweight.
I don't know the name, to be honest. I was fighting on 81 kilos.
Okay, no, then it's not. That's,
Yeah.
I think it's
It's less. A bit
yeah,
less.
me like some
Yeah.
middleweight.
I was fighting on 81 kilos because I was fighting with short people,
Okay.
and it's easy to keep that.
So it's better for you.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
You will fight as well.
No, no, no. Just a friend of his, and I was in the gym, finished the training, and then he asked me to help him. So why not?
You're from Serbia too.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, from the same city and everything, so very convenient. Yeah. You're active?
No, no. I stopped boxing. I just train for fun now. 5 years ago, I just do some sparring with some friends. And that's it.
Okay. Okay. Long time in Malta.
4 years now.
What do you do?
That 365. I've been
Nice.
Yeah,
Okay, like everybody here.
yeah, everyone.
Okay. Coach, you tell me something.
I'm fighting, they changed the date of my fights. So now 28th of July, I think, it's gonna be.
You're fighting?
Yeah,
Okay.
in my home, in Mauritius.
Very nice. Very nice. Boxing? Boxing?
Boxing, yeah. And then 8th of August as well, in Mauritius. as
Nice.
well.
Which weight class?
69, I think. 69.
Ajmo, a? Koliko ima ljudova? 180. Tu smo, a? Dobro, ajmo.
One round shadow boxing, sorry. One round shadow boxing, okay guys?
Time. Are you gonna come later on? Huh? Are you gonna come later on?
Yeah, but in my phone is the door. Another one?
I got a phone.
Like a phone ring? Do you have like around time?
I got a simple timer. Maybe if somebody has an app or something. Amazing.
Just the time already.
Yes. Like six rounds, 3 minutes.
There you go. You want to take?
So it's what? 2 minutes, 3 minutes rounds?
3 minute rounds, right?
How many?
3 minute rounds. 6 3-minute rounds. But you want the 3 minutes in the wrestling because that's
Yeah, the China way.
It's
train now, so I will go down.
Yes, anytime. Dobro, sviđa mi se, brate, dugačak je buraza, razumiješ? Ne, vidiš da je jako moćan.
Vidiš i zna čovjek, bre.
Da. Za razliku od nas. Ako krenem po zlu da ga skinem jedno minimum nogom, brate.
Ti ovi kažu.
What do you say, CJ? How much you are stoned from 1 to 10?
I'm not sold at all. Just tired. Just tired.
Tired? Of what? Of life?
Yeah, very tired. Yeah, for sure.
Coach, you're becoming
Rest day
famous.
today. Tomorrow, two hard sessions.
Are you gonna fight soon, brother?
Sorry? I was like, you're becoming famous, man. You're becoming famous. The comments love you, bro.
Love y'all too, huh?
Hey, you see? You stole the show, bro. I tell you, you stole the show. Nobody cares about Marco, man.
Keep supporting and we're gonna smash everything.
But my friend is working the best week, Miller. You know Miller, the fat
The
guy.
comments are insane, man. They're the killers, man, in the chat, bro. So, coach,
Yes?
Marko, koliko? 6 rundi?
6 rundi po 3 minuta.
Minuta između? Ili ćete više?
Minuta, ali napravit ćemo na pola, brate, pauzu.
Pauzu.
Pa dobro, da se skupi snage. Nije koliko goveda naših ima. Da, to je zašta koji kik. Brate, ne smarate da držiš na vrhu.
Vrati, pomoći ti, što ti ne bi pomogao, brate?
Ti to mi ne osjetiš.
Što ti ne bi pomogao, brate?
Je on pas nešto da jede?
Može, brate. Ali kafenog isto, molim.
Really good, huh? It's like it's horse. Yeah, horse head. Yeah. Good. Alright guys, clean boxing, alright? Clean boxing. Alright, you ready? Have fun. Easy, have a look, right? Both down and up, okay? Don't forget the face this way. Important. Time. Very good run, very good run. Faithful.
Water.
Let's just tell me from you, right? Very good.
Drugače brate, boksiš koliko sam više. He's moving more than me, you know?
He's like, just try to take the center of the ring. Take the center of the ring. I mean, okay, go. Round 2. Good job, guys. feel like you do. Very good.
Tako je, Mare. Bravo, Mare. Tako je.
Rest. Good run done.
Huh?
Good run done. You want to rest a little bit more or do we continue?
Vidiš što je fora, čitav rundu i dobio na pojene i našao sam ga. I onda ga, brate, ako ga tu ne završim, gubim rundu.
Ne, ali brate, odličan si, odličan igrao. Sad si već bolji, brate.
Ne, ali ti kažem, pa dobro, pa ti kažem šta je fora. Tehnički ispred mene. Razumeš? I vidim ja da mogu da ga udarim, znaš.
Kad imaš priliku da ga kazniš, moraš ga kazniti.
Pa moram, da.
Baš moraš, brate, i
To će
on...
biti s ovim. No, brother, do what you do. Do what you do. No, do it. Hey, give me a water. Šta kaže Blagan?
Za boleto. Ali, brate,
Za?
ubijaju, brate, komentare.
Šta piše?
Jako se smijem. Znači im pomenu kape, nog ja plačem, brate. Jako se ludi. Imaš kondicije, brate.
A?
Imaš kondicije.
Sad ćemo odraditi.
Baš si dobar.
Sad ćemo odraditi. Sad pogledaj kurtonski 6 rundi po 2 minuta. Razumeš? Ne može biti to.
You ready?
Coach, help him. Help him, coach. 3 more out.
3 more rounds. You start in 10 seconds, right?
Kazni kad možeš, kazni.
Ready? Bang! Jab. Six. 1, 2. Yeah, 1, 2. You stand still, boom, boom. It doesn't need to be hard, just pop up. Exactly, like that, exactly. Just do your thing, simple or something. Boxing and thinking.
Bravo, Mare. Tako je. Tako je.
Last 10. High.
To je runda, brat.
Samo drugačije piše.
To je to, brat. Coach, it was a good round.
It's a good round.
From both. Coach, we need some commentary from you now for the fans, man.
Give me some water.
I mean,
Come on,
really, really good round.
give the water and then...
It was dominant, and that's what you need to do to show the referee that you.
What he needs to change?
I mean, a little bit more defense. I want a little bit more defense.
Arms up and stuff, huh?
Brate, I'm Victor.
You're doing good, coming with attacks, explosive, fast, and hard.
What about other guys?
The other guy is very good as well. I mean, he's quite experienced as well. He has some amateur fights, and I think it's a very good sparring for both of them.
Very good, thank you.
Let's go.
Ajmo Mare, radi, brate. Tako.
Rajne. Ovo je naša. Ko će pričati o Rajne? Ne znam 100%, I swear. I didn't want it.
Bravo Mare.
Evo još jedan. Šta ti kaže o tome?
Let's go. That's better.
20 seconds, come on. Survive the round, go easy on him. Ten seconds. Time.
Okay.
Dva brojanja, ba.
Okay?
Viš da ti pričam zašto mi treba 8 rundi. Da ja njega pustim da on radi i da ja poslije mogu da radim.
Čim si pustio ruke odmah.
Udara ko konj.
Dobar je, brate. Baš je dobar.
I ja powerful. Ja ti je no complicated, it's too much, man. One that jump.
Yeah, I mean, 30 kilos difference, right? 30 kilos difference, so it's kind of a... Doing great, man.
Powerful,
Yeah. Yeah, super strong.
Prospio na šans.
Bravo.
Lik prospio na šans. Ja, može, ima udarac. You are punching like a heavyweight. You are punching like a heavyweight.
Ready? Time. Last round.
Last round.
He's boxing properly. This is exactly how I want it. Like that is perfect. I don't have anything to say.
That's what we need, coach.
Out from the ropes, out from the rope.
I fin momak.
Jeste, dečko,
Baš fino. Futur.
drugar man.
Coach, how much they have? So they push a bit.
1 minute.
1 minute. Nek, šta brate, vole ljudi. A da, nek. A mora jebi ga, brate.
A da.
Vole da vide ljudi, to je posao, brate.
Ah,
Bravo, bravo, thank you so much. Thank you, hermano. Dream guy, no.
Thank you so much.
Oh, no, it's real. Top sparring partner, top. Dobar, a?
Brate, dobar je. Baš je dobar. Fin momak.
Fin, top lik. You know what's the problem? To move against people like them, I cannot hold my hands all the time up. Yeah, but to move, brother, my hands always like this. You know what I'm fucked up.
wait, you good?
Good.
Like you did the last round of somehow?
I did difference, how you said.
Move. You have fast hands, you need to use it, you know? You have long arms as well. 1, 2.
Yeah, but he's wrong, bro. It's risk with him do 1, 2. It's better 1, uppercut, 1 stronger. He's moving good. He's... Huh?
You catch me for sure, but you move like 3 meters.
But you are wrong, bro. You come in my body like this. You know? What this motherfucker will do. He will go inside me. You know?
You have to go inside.
Yeah, that's right. Boxer, I need to fight it totally different. I cannot box with boxers.
I mean,
I can fight them,
like you
but
did the
not
last
box
round,
them.
like you did the last round. If it works against him, then we're gonna continue doing it.
Ciao.
You streaming?
Yes.
Kick?
You stream too?
Yeah.
Nice, man.
I told you.
Yes.
Robert. My name is Basut. What's your nationality, bro?
Serbian.
Is streaming English?
No, now we speak English. In my
Oh.
language.
What's up, chat?
Are you streaming English?
No, bro. But I'm thinking about switching. You know.
Yeah, I switch.
You switch?
I switch.
I mean, you switch throughout the stream, or you do like a full English stream?
No, full Serbian. That's why I'm surrounded by people who talk English now. That's why.
Okay. I have the same, yeah. But I'm thinking about switching to English like fully, you know.
Polish to English.
Yeah,
What
because-
is it? Russian.
Polish.
Polish.
Yeah.
You have problem in Poland, huh? If you speak in Polish.
I have problems when I do casinos. You do casinos?
Yes.
Which one?
Yes, we can do.
I don't know. Can I see the chat?
I think it's stuck because you tried this from the beginning.
No, the Wi-Fi is fucked.
Yeah, it's okay, bro. It's a good number anyway. Like 200 is good. How are you guys? What's up? Hi, bro. Hi, Zarand. Awesome. We should do some collab. He's a boxer?
Marco?
Yeah.
Yeah, kickboxer actually.
Kickboxer. Fuck, he's big.
Yeah, he's huge, man.
He's stood up.
100%, man.
He's like 110? What is it?
119 now.
119?
Yes. He's a big guy, man.
That's a kick, bro. I don't want to take that kick.
It'd be funny. Very nice.
Yeah, we good, bro. We good. Just, you know, how long is he staying here?
He lives here. He's Maltese. He lives in Malta.
Bro, I can't even fucking... I can't get used to this place, bro.
Why?
Because it's a little small, crowded, and it's expensive a little.
Where are you from?
Poland,
Which city?
Warsaw.
Nice, man.
And I was living in, Asia. So,
Where? Where in Asia?
Philippines.
Okay.
Yeah,
Nice
for-
beaches for sure.
Nice beaches and nice beaches.
Nice.
Beaches and beaches.
Oh, okay.
And cheap.
Very cheap.
Cheap living. Man, here, bro, it's fucked up, bro.
Yeah, Filipinos are also good people, so.
They are good people until they came after me with guns, bro.
Really?
Yeah. But they were like not Filipinos. They were Filipinos, but they were speaking Arabic to each other.
Hey.
So like
A mix.
They do fucking kidnappings and stuff like this.
Hey.
Yeah, not very nice. But it was in Manila, so Manila is safer.
Yeah, okay.
We should we should spar sometime.
Yes.
Maybe boxing.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. swimming the sparring, nice. I'm so fucking lazy. I don't
Figures.
even do IRLs anymore.
No?
Just
You used to do before. Yeah, but me too. Like when it's the sparring, that's what people like to see. Like, other stuff, it's hard. Everything changed.
Do you travel?
More for content on like in YouTube, like we are visiting gyms around the Balkan, and then we are going sparring with MMA fighters, with kickbox fighters, with top league, you know.
That's a nice content.
Yeah, it's nice content. Depends on
If you get your ass kicked.
bro. Last time, you know me.
But they love it. They love it when I beat you up.
Yeah, bro, I come full of
Yeah, that was a good stream.
and my content is that I'm making fun of everyone, you know.
Oh yeah, truly.
Everyone, bro, like everyone who do the content in Sweden, I make fun of them. Some people they love me, but they hate me.
The chat needs you, coach.
That's the best.
The chat needs you,
Šta
coach.
hoće, brate, kafenog?
Come on, man.
Right, bro, nice to meet you anyway. Hey, can I have you like this again?
Started with 6 rounds this week. 6 good rounds. Next week you go to 8.
Yeah. It was really good. The guy is super good.
It's good. It was quality sparring.
100%.
That's the most important. Quality sparring, you know. Not that everybody can go in and swing. And everybody can do that, you know.
good, guy.
To do quality sparring and try to do what you're supposed to do. That is the magic with boxing.
Nice and clean, very clean.
Yeah, exactly.
I think you should keep on doing this stuff, right? You're gonna help him a lot, man. I think his competitor is similar built as you are, so I think yeah. The other guy is like 90 kilos as well, huh? The guy is 90 kilos as well. What's the name of the guy? Yeah.
Brate, good, nice.
It was really good. Bravo.
Yes, but he's short for what I'm doing right now. So what I will do, he's swinging at me, I go behind. This I need, you know, like to learn the reach between me, because I do kickboxing, brother. I don't move my head that much, which is fucked up. I'm easy on my legs because my kicks they are good, you know what I mean? Like, you know, yes, but like, you know, because for me it's everything you come, I push you like it's different. You know, you don't need to move the hand. That's it. And you take the double deck, you just like kick back or punch back. It's different. Boxing, bro, it's like.
I think boxing more technique and like who is more strong.
Then if you don't drop him on the ass, bro, like.
Right, nice to see you, bro.
Nice. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Thank you.
Say bye to the fans, man.
Ciao, fans.
Thank you.
And I will have you on Instagram also.
Yeah.
Mane, pitaju te da li držiš kasnije live.
Brate, nećemo do ponedeljka, nismo live. I onda nadam se da ćemo do ponedeljka sredimo neki deal, brate, malo da peglamo. Mislim i bez deala ćemo u ponedeljak da idemo live, da pričamo, komentarišemo malo. Daj da ih vidim, brate. Hvala ti što... braćo. Dobro je bilo. Treba mi ovog više, brate, jebeš fokusera i džak, treba mi ovo više. Razumiješ? Nek sam loše spavao, koncentracija me u kurcu, brate. Da. Pa da ja se tek sad zagrali, dobro je, brate, da. Dobro je. 2 puta smo ga zaustavili, to su 2 brojanja, brate, tako da ono... Razumiješ? Mogao sam, na primjer, tad kad je stao da sam nastavio, mogao sam ga završiti. Razumiješ? Ne mogu da pročitam, evo šta mi je dostavljač napisao. Ček, sad ću vidim. Ne mogu da pročitam, brate, ne vidim. Hvala vam što ste sa mnom, braćo, rešćemo, brate, nešto ćemo da završimo. Ne mogu da čitam, brate. Brate, možeš da mi čitaš, brate, ne mogu da čitam. Ne mogu da čitam bez naočara, šta je napisao brat ovde?
Stav u nekim momentima da bude preširok, mora lateralna brzina da se u suštini, da se popravi pokreti u glavi, da bude odlučiji, kontre da budu konstantnije, tehnika više, feintovi. Sve znao da ne vidim?
Ne vidim bez naočara. Pa dobro, jebi ga, da. Ne, slažem se, Buras, hvatao sam sebe kad prekratko bacim desni, ali kažem ti, vidio sam da je tehnički bolje pa sam ga čekao, brate, na power punch, što sam uspeo, razumeš, ali ako ne uspem, to je problem, razumeš. Kapiraš čemu ti pričam, brate, uhvatio sam ga 3 puta na power punch, brate, razumeš, kapiraš. Ma de, ovo je tek počelo, ljudi, šta mi? Ma easy, brate. Easy. Dobar. 6.
Dobar je on, rekao sam.
Naš sam ga 2 puta bio stavio. Ali dobar je. Dobro, radit ćemo tek, braće, ste ludi. Dobar je španac, Buraz moj, dobar je. Dobar je, brate. Brate, meni je bitno da sam ja uradio šta sam teo, brate, da sam ga našao, brate. To mi je najbitnije, Buraz, razumiješ? Znači, to je ono što meni treba, da nađem i ovoga, brate, i to je to, razumeš, brate. I da ima više rundi. Naprimjer, da su bile još 2 runde da su bile, ja sam mogao da napinjem, on već nije mogao da napinje, razumeš? Tako je da, znaš. Imam ja još boljeg od njega. Imam ja još boljeg, brate, vidjet ćete Faris, drug moj. Evo ga i Mihajlo isto ubica. A Mihajlo je mnogo kraći od mene i onda bez veze, brate, razumeš? I nema šta da sparingo, Mihajlo isto brutalan zadnji meč nokautom pobedio. Malo je nama divlji boks ovdje, ali snalazimo se, a? Tako je, da. Ma da. Ništa, braćo, idemo dalje, ljubav vas, brat. Jeste. Ne znam da li je s Ahmedom radio. Slušajte, aj gledamo se u ponedeljak, brate, idem da kopam, da nađem neki deal. To je to, brate, malo šupačke od Gemdoma šta je uradio posle 3 godine, ali nema veze, brate. To je to, pozdrav od mene i od kafenog brata. I brata olimpijskog šampiona, brate. Jebote, kakav trener vam je držao kameru, jebote, kakve i privilegije imate, minimum privilegije. Aj gledamo se u ponedeljak, ljubi vas, brat, čao.